Now concentrate on this problem. This is a graph showing the variation of potential with distance x. This is the nature of the graph. The first question is, at which point does a negative charge feel the greatest force in positive x direction? Negative charge will feel a force along positive x direction if the electric field is oppositely directed. That is, if the electric field is along negative x direction, then if we place a negative charge, it will feel force along the opposite direction. Therefore, we have to find out the region where the electric field is along negative x direction. We know that E is equal to minus dV dx, that is electric field is negative gradient of potential. Therefore, clearly from this graph we can see that electric field in this region is along this direction, that is along negative x axis. Now where the field is maximum, where the value of dV dx is maximum, that is the slope of the graph is maximum. From the points, among the points, we can see clearly that at this point B, the slope of the graph, that is dV dx, is maximum. Therefore, at this point B, electric field is maximum and it is directed along negative x axis. Therefore, a negative charge placed here will feel force along positive x axis, that is opposite to the field, and force will be maximum at B as the electric field is maximum at B. Therefore, the answer of part A is at the point B. Now concentrate on the second part. Find the upper limit of the speed that a proton can have as it passes through the origin and still remain bound near the origin. Now a proton is released here from a speed v0, suppose. When the proton moves in this direction, it feels a force along the electric field, that is towards the origin. In this region, electric field is directed along positive x axis. Now if the proton moves in this direction, then it will feel a force along the electric field, that is towards the origin. Therefore, if we release a proton here, either towards positive x axis or towards negative x axis, it will always feel a force towards the origin due to the electric field. This is given in the question that the maximum value of potential is V0. Now, the total energy of the proton shall be less than 0 for it to remain bound in this region. That is, the proton may have a kinetic energy half m V0 square, and the potential is giving or supplying the energy E V0 to the proton. Therefore, E V0 must be greater than half m V0 square for the proton to remain bound in this region. Therefore, this V0 is the value of the potential and this V0 is the velocity. Therefore, we can find out the limit of the velocity, that is V0 square less than equal to E V0 into 2 by m. Therefore, V0 must be less than equal to 2 E V0 by m. So this is the upper limit of the speed of the proton. Now the last part of the question, how will your answer change if the charge is an electron? Now if we place an electron here and released it along this direction, then the electron will feel a force opposite to the electric field. That is, electric field is along this direction, the electron will feel a force along positive x direction and it will accelerate and it will penetrate this region. Now if we release the electron with a velocity v0 in this direction, you can see the electric field is towards positive x axis. Therefore, the electron will feel a force opposite to the field, that is along this direction. The electron will be accelerated along this direction and it will penetrate through this region. Therefore, we can write that an electron cannot, an electron cannot remain bound in this region. Electron cannot remain bound in this region.